Hello friends, have you ever noticed that every popular person speaks in English language? Why he speaks English language? What is the reason behind it? Whether that person knows the English language before becoming the popular or after becoming popular, he tries to learn this language, he tries to improve this language. Actually, each and every celebrity who becomes popular among the world, it is the need of his career, of his popularity, to know the English language, because he has to communicate with other people through English language. People will make his or her interview. So if he knows English language, then this is the best option for him, that he can deliver about his life, about his career through English language. So I think that sometimes by chance some people become popular in a country where the first language is not the English language, but they get the attention of international world, and international media approach them, such kind of people. And to face the international media, they need to learn English language. And some people, after becoming popular, get the classes to improve themselves in English language, because they know its importance, that right now they have become the popular, they have become the celebrity, and they will travel around the world, and they will have to give the replies of journalist questions. They will have to face a lot of questions in English language, not in his national language, because he will give interviews in his national language within the country, but outside the country he has to give the replies of journalists or other people in English language. He have to deliver his lecture in English language. He will be called in seminars, in delegations, and in aggregations, and there he will have to speak in English language. If he don't know the English language, he can't express his inner self in front of the people. So much necessary for celebrity, for popular person to know the English language. And after becoming popular, some people even don't know the English language, alphabetical words of English language, but they become popular celebrity, and after that they try to learn or improve this language, and they probably succeed because they have interest, they have vision, they have goals to achieve. They want to improve themselves in English language because they know the importance. So they try with their whole heart, with their interest, with their hard working, and finally they speak very good English language. Whenever you search on social media the interviews of popular personalities, the celebrities, you will find that they are speaking very good English language, and English is not their first language. They are speaking English language as a second language. Even then they are good in English language. What is the reason? Reason is that they are interested to speak. They learn, they try to improve themselves in English language. Hope you find this video useful. In next video I will talk about some other topics. Till then, allow me from this video, and before leaving, do subscribe this channel so that you never miss our other videos. I Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.